Okay guys, I want to take you through this challenge here from one of my learner. She's struggling a bit with this one, so I want us to look at it now. Let's see how we can tackle this. They say if if 3 to the power 9x equals to 64 and 5 to the power square root p equals to 64, we need to calculate without the use of a calculator, of course. We calculate what's given there, which is this one there. We need to find the value of that, okay, without the use of a calculator. Let's see how we can do this one. Okay, the very first thing we can do is this. We need to simplify what's inside the brackets there on the numerator. We need to simplify. Let's see. We have 3, which, let me use white here. We have 3x minus 1 to the power 3 over square root 5, and we have to the power p there. Okay, let's see how we can tackle this. This is the same as 3 to the power, we need to multiply in 3 here and multiply 3 there. Okay, let's see what we're going to get there. We're going to get 3x minus 3 over, we can simplify 5 square root 5 to 5 to the power half, and we have square root p. We have square root p. Okay, so now we can separate the numerator there like this. Say 3 to the power 3x dot 3 to the power negative 3. Then onto onto denominator. Now we can take out half and bring in the square root p as like this, square root p all to the power half. Then let's see this, what we have so far. We're going to have 3 to the power 3x dot 3 to the power negative 3 over 64 to the power half is the same as square root 64. Okay, so far this is where we can get 3 to the power negative 3 over 8, because square root 64 is 8 over 8. Okay, now that we got to this one, let's go and work with the other given info. Let's go and work with this one here. We're going to work with that one. Let me write just here 3 to the power 9x equals to 64. This is the same as 3 to the power 3, taking out 3 like this equals to 64. And now we can get to 3 to the power, say 3 to the power 3x, all this to the power 3 equals to 64, equals to 64, equals to 64. And this will be the same as 3 to the power 3x equals to 4. This is the same, it's from cube root. We cube root both. We cube root this one. Let me show you. We cube root this and we cube root this. Right, so once we cube root there, that's what we're going to get. Right, so far, now that we were able to simplify that, where there's 3 to the power 3x, we substitute with 4. Then we go back to the one we did earlier and substitute. Where there's 3 to the power 3x, we substitute with 4 times 1 over 27. Over is the same as divide by 8. Then this is the same as 4 over 27 multiplied by 1 over 8. Then we remember that 4 goes into 4 once and 4 goes into 8 twice. So this is the same as 1 over 54. There's the answer. The answer is 1 over 54. Right. So make sure you understand from the given info. Whenever you given something, you need to use it. They can't just give you, okay? So once you understand the given info, which we talk about the 2 here, then you are done with the question. All right, you need to make sure you do that. So I believe you would have enjoyed this one with me. It was a challenge question, and hopefully you guys right there, you understand what went down. Okay, so I will see you on the other one. All right, thanks for joining me, and see you next time. Okay, sharp.